Vagaro is a versatile salon, spa, and fitness business management software that helps manage appointments, payments, and marketing. Here's how to use it effectively. Sign up. Visit the Vagaro website and sign up for an account. Choose a plan that fits your business size and needs. Set up your profile. After signing up, complete your business profile by entering details like business name, address, services offered, and pricing. Manage appointments. Use the calendar feature to schedule appointments. Clients can book online through your Vagaro page, and you can manage staff schedules efficiently. Client management. Add client profiles to keep track of their appointment history, preferences, and contact information. This helps personalize service and improve client relationships. Process payments. Vagaro allows you to accept payments through various methods, including credit cards. Set up your payment processing to manage transactions securely. Marketing tools. Utilize Vagaro's marketing features to send promotions, newsletters, and reminders to clients, helping to boost engagement and retention. Reports and analytics. Access reports to track sales, appointments, and client retention. Use this data to make informed business decisions.